So today is the first time we're putting the oysters down into the Land Rover BAR research pontoon, and this is part of a wider project at the Institute of Marine Sciences and with Blue Marine Foundation to try and regenerate the native oyster population in the Solent.
The oyster fishery collapsed, so no oysters, and the Solent's in a pretty poor state.
Overfishing, disease, habitat destruction, invasive species. The idea is to try and create these broodstock cages of oysters that are protected from all these effects. So hopefully they will provide juvenile oysters or spat that can then populate seabed populations that have undergone all these pressures.
So we want to try and also improve the ecosystem of the Solent by bringing back the native oyster.
First thing is to see how well they survive in these novel cages that we've designed and built.
MDL have developed a pontoon structure that can be attached to any standard pontoon to actually house the oysters in an environment that will hopefully successfully lead to their reproduction.
And then various research will be done on those oysters over a period of time, all sorts of trials to discover the best way of breeding oysters again in the Solent.
It obviously has the potential to have a significant impact on the local economy and local fishing fleet.
It's unusual for sports teams like Land Rover BAR to be involved in these sort of environmental projects, and it's very useful because they have the ability to drag together networks of people. Quite a lot of organisation to do involved in getting oysters, putting in the right places, construction of things, and the support that the sports team can put in behind it is really helpful to the network.
11th Hour Racing was very excited to partner with Land Rover BAR. Oysters were in trouble here in the Solent, and they wanted to make sure that they weren't going to become extinct in the Solent. We hope other organizations look for something like this in their backyard and are able to step up and do something about it.
Fantastic to get stage one complete. The oysters are in, we can start collecting the data, and it's been a great day.